Welcome, subscribers. So today I'm going to be doing a Father's Day special. So stick around. I'm gonna guide you through it step by step. You want to make sure you're using unsalted butter. Now let this simmer for like 2 minutes. What you want to get all the liquid out the mushrooms. And you're going to let this simmer over low heat for like 2 minutes. You want to get a nice sear on both sides. And you could cook this to whatever temperature you desire. I'm going for medium rare. Now let's plate up and enjoy.